guys, what is going on? It's Greg here with Coin Journey, and just bringing you kind of an update today of some things I see in the market. We're talking specifically about Big Papa today. We're talking about Bitcoin, and we've seen a lot of action in Bitcoin over the last few months. Saw the huge run up. It's kind of been tailing off since then, and so I don't really know where it's headed. I am not a professional trader. This is not financial advice, but I just want to talk a little bit about what I see going on here. So if we click into Bitcoin here, Coin Market Cap, we'll see that we're up right now. So we're sitting just over 15,000. We've been sitting at this, for the last roughly 2 days, kind of bouncing up and down. Here you can see that big run up, and yeah, so we are seeing Bitcoin dominance is pretty low right now, but the market cap is huge. It's exploding, and so a lot of money is going into altcoins at this point, and I really think that in the next month or so, we're going to see people take lots of profit on those altcoins and move them into Bitcoin, and so I expect to see a huge surge for Bitcoin coming up. If we look at the markets right here, we see a lot of movement with Tron. So I know Tron's had a big run up recently. I wish I knew if this was money moving from Tron to Bitcoin or Bitcoin to Tron. USD is typically up there. You see some other stuff. So lots of different stuff. Bitcoin moving out of a lot of different things. I think the overall trend for the next couple months will actually be pretty upward. So if we jump over here to TradeView, you can ignore these lines. They're just for reference for me to help me out a little bit. But if we zoom out, we can see here is our run up. We've made it all the way up here to just, right around 20,000. We had the drawback all the way down. Looks like we might have hit 10. So, 50% cut. And then we've seen this consolidation, and we had this downtrend going on for a while, but it seems if we look in close here, we see our lows have actually been consolidating upwards, and we had a big bounce yesterday, and so we've seen some consolidation here, and so I'm kind of if it breaks above this line, I think we're going to see a big bull run. If it breaks below, I think we're going to see maybe some more consolidation before it runs. What's really interesting is if you look down right here, the trade volume has kind of peaked a little bit, and it's actually staying above where it was previously. And so Bitcoin's getting a lot of trades. We're trading pretty sideways right now, but as I said, I think people are going to start taking a lot of profits in those altcoins that they made a ton of money in. We've seen huge percentage increase in, Ripple and a bunch of the other altcoins. Cardano has flown up there. And so, I think Bitcoin is really, like I said, Big Papa. It's going to be the store of value. It's going to be where people put their money to stay safe. And so as people pull profits out of those altcoins, I think they're going to get pumped right into Bitcoin. And I think we're going to see this Bitcoin dominance. Man, I would love it to bounce back around 50%. I don't know if that's possible. I honestly didn't think it'd be at this low. I thought we'd stop right around 37%. So the fact that that's continued to go down is a surprise to me. But we'll see. I think like my chart kind of shows here, I think our next day or two will really define what the next couple of months of Bitcoin actually looks like. If any of this analysis has helped you in kind of your trading decisions and stuff, please hit subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Those thumbs up really help me. Leave a comment down below. Where do you think Bitcoin is headed in the next 2 months? You think it's gonna, is it gonna hit 40? Is it gonna hit 100? I really think it's gonna hit around 20, and we'll see a lot of resistance at 20 as we saw previously, right around here. So yeah, subscribe, hit that thumbs up. Thanks for watching another video, and I will see you guys tomorrow.